Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I am showing you how to use TeamSpeak app in order to communicate with the players in GTA 5 roleplay. Let's begin our installation. In order to install Tokovoip, first you have to download TeamSpeak app. I will give link in the description box from where you can download TeamSpeak. You will redirect to this page after you click on this link, and then you have to go to downloads. After that, select according to your configuration of PC. If you have 64-bit operating system, then you can download this. If you have 32-bit operating system, you can download from here. So I have 64-bit, so I am downloading from here. I have already downloaded this, so let me proceed toward installation. Okay, here in the downloads you will see TeamSpeak, and let's start our installation. Okay, it will take some time. It is normal installation like any other app, so let's not waste our time in looking forward how it is done step by step. I will start after the app has been installed. Okay, now I have installed this TeamSpeak, so let's open that. After opening TeamSpeak, you will see this interface where you will see nothing. First of all, to use TeamSpeak with Tokovoip, you have to install a plugin called Tokovoip. I will give link in description box, so you can download from here. You will be redirected to this page, and you have to download from here. I click here, it will be downloaded, and after completion of download, go to the plugin file, and then click here. Okay, and then type install. And you are about to install. Yes, yeah, I have already installed it. Do you want to do it? Yes, and do it. This error is coming because I have already installed that plugin, so I cannot install that plugin twice, so the error had come. After the installation of plugin, check whether the plugin is installed properly or not from here. If this RadioFX and Tokovoip are shown here, then your plugin is installed properly. So after the installation of properly, let me tell you how to join certain server. Like in Nepal, there is popular server Legacy Roleplay. So in order to connect to the Legacy Roleplay server, go to the connection and type connect here. Then type asia.legacy-roleplay.com. It doesn't have any password. Then you will be connected to the server. Connect. Just wait for a minute, and yes, you will be connected. And after connecting to this, you will not face any problem related to Tokovoip. If any problem came while you are playing GTA 5 roleplay, then let me know in comment box. And if this video worked for you, then give thumbs up to my video. And thank you so much for watching, and wait for my next video. Thank you.